Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn take a crack at something. Take a crack at something. It's an interesting expression, so let's find out how to use it. But first, as always everyone, let's start with a quick review of last week's class. Okay everyone, so imagine I say, my boss asked me to work overtime again this weekend. He doesn't ask anybody else. For some reason, he always asks me, and it's really unfair. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds. You ready? Okay, and go. All right, and time is up. If you said, that's a raw deal, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's take a look at take a crack at something. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I'm doing some work at the office, some IT-related work, and I'm having some problems. So I'm talking to my good friend and colleague Taro. Say, Taro, I have no idea how to fix this bug. All right, can you try? So maybe we're working on some kind of new system or some new program and there's this bug and I can't fix it. So I ask Taro to help me. Taro says, looks difficult. I'll try to do it. Okay, this is good. Thank you for your help, Taro. But you might hear a native English speaker say this. Wow, that looks difficult. I'll take a crack at it. All right, so when you try to do something that's difficult, you attempt to do something that is challenging, you don't know if you are going to succeed or if you're going to fail, you're going to take a crack at it, okay? Take a crack at something. Take a crack at fixing this bug, for example, okay? So, take a crack at it. Very nice expression. All right, so please repeat after me, everyone. So, pronunciation is as follows. I'll take a crack at it. I'll take a crack at it. Your turn. Go ahead. Good. Looks difficult. I'll take a crack at it. Okay, now after my question here. Wow, I have no idea how to fix this bug. It's so difficult. Can you try? Good, and you say, yeah, that looks hard, but I'll take a crack at it. Okay? All right, so please remember this for your review next week. Okay, everyone, so our bonus question today is another way to say, making me annoyed. All right, so if you know a better way to say this, you can leave it in the comments below. But if you don't know the answer, well, we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you've got the time. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we will see you next time. Thank you.